Hello, welcome to another video of my YouTube channel. In the previous video, I showed how can small children make cards for their fathers. In this video, I will be showing another idea of card making for Father's Day. So let's make it. For this, we need a one sheet. The color you can take it by your own choice or for your father choice. We will take some craft paper also. Fold your paper in this way from the middle. Now then cut your craft sheet in two square pieces. And then fold your this piece of paper in the fan fold way. Like one fold is this way, and then turn your paper and then fold it again, and then turn your paper and then fold it again, turn your paper and then fold it again, and turn your paper and then fold it again. So look, the fan shape will come like this. Now fold your paper, fold your fan from the middle, and then it will be look like this. Now take a Fevicol and then paste it like this, and then your fan will become like this. Now make it with another paper also, and then paste it also like this. Now your two fans like this is ready. Now from this paper, this is the two side paper, and then take a scissor and make a small cut from between, from the center, only one paper, not the both of the papers. Then turn your paper, fold your paper like this, and this from this side also fold your paper like this. So it becomes the collar of the shirt. Okay, now I want to paste the strip of the paper. You can take any color strip and then paste it like this. Take another, it is only for the decoration. The middle of this, okay, and then extra you will cut it from here. Okay, now take this fan, paste some Fevicol, and then paste it like this, just like a bow. And then you paste the button here. If you are having buttons, you can paste it in the center like this. Put some Fevicol only, not too much. And in the center also here you can put it a button or a circle like this also. Now look, your card is ready in the shape of shirt for your fathers. So happy Father's Day.